Good morning, boys. Today our lesson is 12.4, Relate Metric Units of Mass. It's page number 388. Who will tell me what is mass? Any student?
Mass?
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Okay, tell me. Ahmed.
Mass is the amount of matter in something.
Yes, very good. Mass is the amount of matter in anything. If anything, like as you can see, you have got a book in your hand. Okay. So the amount of matter in that book, we will call it a mass. We measure mass, okay, in different units. Like here are some units given to us. The first one is the milligram. We write it as mg, centigram, cg, decigram, dg, then gram, then kilogram, and then metric ton, denotes with T, are the metric units of mass. And how do they relate with each other? As you can see right in the box, it's given to you. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Okay. In 1 gram, there are 1000 grams. Then in 1 gram, also, if you want to measure in centigrams, then you can say there are 100 centigrams. Then in 1 gram, there are 10 decigrams. Then in 1 kg means what? Kilograms, which is equals to, yes, which is equals to 1000 grams.
grams.
Like 1 kilometer. In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there?
1000 meters.
1000
meters.
Yeah. And then there is the last unit down there, as you can see, 1 T. T means ton, metric ton, which is equals to 1000 kilograms. 1000 kilograms. Can you tell me anything which weighs about 1000 kilograms? An example. Which
car.
object? A car. A car. Is it about 1000 or less than?
More.
The Eiffel Tower?
1000.
Eiffel Tower, yeah, you can say it's more than 1 ton actually.
Yes,
Yes,
I
you're
cannot
right.
bring 1000 exactly.
Yeah, I know. Okay, now listen to me. The most commonly used metric units of mass, first one, the most commonly used is the milligram for the smallest object, or grams, then kilograms, and then metric ton. These are most commonly used, okay, units for the mass. So now we will solve some questions. First of all, Ahmed, you will tell me question number 1. Which units are smaller than grams? Tell me.
Smaller than gram is milligram, centigram, and decigram.
Yes, very good. Right here, milligram.
mg. It's better.
mg, cg, and then dg.
Teacher, what will you do? CG?
mg, then
cg,
and then dg.
DG.
Yes, decigram.
Yes, and then larger is
Larger
kg
than
and
gram, which
kilogram
is
and metric ton.
kg and metric ton.
yes,
T.
metric ton T. Can you see the answers?
Yes.
Yes, very clear.
Okay. Now, second one is Moaz. Moaz, you will tell me the answer. Read the second question and tell me the answer.
A grain of
Salt, not solid.
has a mass of about
What?
milligram.
Page
Name
388.
other objects that have a mass of about 1 milligram.
Okay, tell me. It's saying that.
Mu'adh is shouting. Why?
No, it's not actually. Mic is clear to his mouth, so that.
Why, teacher? He bring his mic to his mouth. My mic, teacher, is about 1 meter away.
No problem. Listen to me, Mishari. Okay. Now,
مو اختصار جبهة الحين حصة انجلش
now,
ما
now Muaz, tell me the answer. It's saying that, you know, a grain of salt, it's about 1 milligram. Okay. So tell me any other object which weight is about 1 milligram. What do you think? The lightest weight
Can I say?
ever. No, let him think. The lightest weight ever. Ant,
I can say.
very good.
Can I say?
An ant.
Can I say?
Who is replying to me? Who said to me?
Teacher, I can say.
Ahmad, you gave me one answer. Muhammad.
A bottle cover?
A page, you mean?
Yes.
A page, very good.
There
Ahmad,
is
you
one
also.
more.
Ahmad, you tell me.
Feather. A feather.
A feather, very good. Okay. Now, Muhammad, read question number 3, Muhammad.
Kareem join teacher.
What object would you see to measure mass in milligram?
Okay. What object would you use to measure mass in kilograms? What do you think?
Ruler.
Any object, okay? You can write any object that are very light. You can use that object, okay? Write any object that are very light.
That is very light.
That any object that
That
is,
are. Okay, that's are.
okay. Objects, wait. It's
Any
better to write,
objects.
yeah, it's better to write objects that are very light. Okay, next one, tell me. Who will read question? Mishari.
What?
Now read question number 4.
A standard paper clip has a mass of about 1 gram. Name other objects that have a mass of about 1 gram.
Okay, can you see the paper clip on the right side? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, its mass is about 1 gram. Tell me any other object which mass is about 1 gram.
The ant.
No, it's a milligram. It's written there. Any other object?
Pencil.
Can I say?
Muhammad, tell me.
A piece of paper.
A piece of paper.
Teacher, the piece of paper is the same as a page. We said
Yes.
it's milligram.
Yes, it's milligram. Tell me any other object. Ahmad, do you know?
Object that is 1 gram, maybe a hairpin.
A hairpin? Yes.
Teacher,
Yes, teacher.
I can answer.
A hairpin. One by one. Actually, the names are given to me in order, so I'm asking one by one. Okay. So now next question is for Amar.
What?
Amar, read question number 5.
Estimate the mass of a nickel by comparing it with the mass of a standard paper clip. How many standard paper clips do you think are equal to the mass of the nickel?
Yes, down there it's a nickel. Okay. Just estimate how many paper pins will be equals to about a nickel.
Maybe Maybe 3.
Maybe 3.
I
Any other?
I think teacher 4.
4.
It's 4.
I think the best one, you can say it's about 5 grams. So you can say 5. This one
Okay.
would be the best. 5, about 5.
5.
Yeah, about 5. Question number 6. Who is the
Yes.
next one? Moaz, Muhammad, Mishari, Mohsin now.
Mahsin.
How many grams do you think a nickel would weigh?
Yes. Now tell me about how many grams do you think that a nickel would weigh?
Would weight?
Yes. Its mass. Can you see this one? Let me highlight this. Wait. This object. This one, a nickel. What do you think about how many grams do you think a nickel would weigh?
1 gram.
1 gram? No, 1 gram is weighed about. Listen, Abdul Mohsin. 1 gram is about this pin, paper pin. And in question number 5, we have estimated that, okay, 1 nickel, this one, is equals to about 5 paper pins. Then what do you think the mass of this nickel? Sorry?
3 grams.
5.
Yeah.
Because you have estimated equals to 5 paper pins. So you can say about 5 grams. About 5 grams. Hassan. Hassan.
Hassan, maybe he mute or go.
No, he didn't mute. Okay, Ahmed, now you read it. Question number 7.
Yes. Use a metric balance to find the actual mass of a nickel. Then compare the mass with your estimate. How does your estimate compare with the mass? We don't have. Nobody has metric.
Yes, metric balance we don't have. Then what should we write? It's about, I think it's better to write 5 grams.
Yes.
Okay. We can say it weighs.
5 grams.
Yes.
Teacher, you don't put its weight. It weighs. One S and the other no.
It weighs, teacher, or
It
it
weighs
weighs.
or it's like this.
It's weight, or you could write its weight.
Oh,
Then write
teacher.
weight.
Remove the S and put V. Go
Remove
to
the S
A,
and then
put
V.
S. Yes.
Yes. Number 8. Who lead?
Okay. Next one. Question number 8.
Teacher, can you get closer to the mic?
Okay.
I will release the volume.
Muhammad.
Teacher, someone is drawing. You see on the number 8, there is yellow line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Teacher, what did you solve the problem?
Okay,
Unknown?
now
Who's the student?
Omar, question number 8.
Maybe unknown, he's here.
No, unknown is a student.
Mafi.
خلاص, unknown
now
is a
listen to me.
student, teacher. But who's
Now,
student? Teacher is
now
unknown.
listen to me, Omar.
إن unknown
Read
قبل ما كتب
question number
واحد
8.
منهم.
Omar, read question number 8.
Okay. Estimate the mass of a pencil by comparing it with the mass of a standard paper clip. About how many grams do you think a pencil would weigh?
Okay, tell me about how many grams would a pencil would weigh. Estimate the mass of pencil by comparing it with the mass of a standard paper clip. You have
Yeah, I think
pencil.
the pencil.
You have pencil in your hand, and
Yes.
just
I
imagine
have
that.
pencil.
Yes,
I think
just
it's 7 grams or something like this.
Ahmad, could
No,
you please
2
tell me?
grams. 2 grams because it's not heavy.
No, because it's a wood. And do you have any idea about a paper pen? Not 2 grams, it will be more than, I think, nickel. Or less than.
Teacher, I have pencil. Pencil is not that heavy. It is very light.
Okay,
Like
so you can say
teacher,
about 3 grams.
7 grams or 6 or like this.
3 grams, yes.
About 3 grams.
Because nickel, it is maybe metal, and the
Yeah.
metal is more than wood.
Metal is heavier than wood. Who is putting lines?
Not me.
I don't
Was
know.
not me.
I will erase it, teacher.
I
want
don't know
erase
how to
them.
put lines.
Teacher, just ignore the lines.
Yeah.
Only if they put in the center. Teacher, they put on the left side, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Now, question B. Question number 8, it's part B.
Yes. This again metric balance.
Read it.
I read it.
Yes, you
Use
read it.
a metric balance to find the actual mass of the pencil. Then compare the mass with your estimate. How does your estimate compare with the mass?
Okay.
Let's
Use
say
the
3 grams.
Okay.
Or 2 or 5 or 4 like this.
3 grams.
Teacher, please, who's drawing this?
It's
not
okay,
me,
teacher. Only it is only on the right side, so it doesn't matter. If they draw on the center, then you can kick someone out and see if who's drawing.
But
Okay.
if you kick someone
Now
out,
question
you cannot bring him again.
Question number 9. Now choose 5 classroom objects, each of different size and mass. Estimate the mass of each object, then use a metric balance to find the mass in grams. Record your answer in a table like the one shown. Okay. Who will tell me any object
Any object what?
in your classroom?
In my classroom. But teacher,
board
we haven't
marker?
in a class.
No, just
Desk.
no, in grams. Okay. They said that use balance, metric balance. Can we measure
Yes.
the metric balance? Sorry, the desk in our metric balance.
Yes.
Means the things which are in about grams, milligrams, centigrams, not in kilograms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put desk.
Not desk. I think it's better to write board marker.
Put ruler.
Yes, ruler. You can also say board marker.
Teacher, your voice so low. Your voice so low.
Now, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Board marker. Next one.
Board mark, ruler or pencil case.
Teacher, I said ruler.
Yes, ruler. Any other object? The third one.
Maybe eraser.
Razor or duster.
Pencil.
Duster. Yes,
Projector.
No, not in kilograms.
Teacher, the eraser for the board. The eraser for the board.
Yeah, you can say duster.
Yes, duster.
Okay, estimate now. Board marker.
Yes.
It's 4
Board
grams.
Not 4
5
grams.
grams. 5 grams. It
Okay.
is not that
Teacher,
much.
Right.
who is writing the line? Teacher, it's
Right
near
about.
from missing grams.
Right
Teacher,
about.
someone is teacher, someone is drawing green, red, yellow, and black.
مشكل.
I think Kareem from Kareem.
Teacher, you want to...
Yes.
How can I listen always?
No, teacher, not me.
Okay.
It's not me, teacher. I'm trying
طيب
to erase
عبد
it.
الكريم عبد الكريم
unknown
سؤال
part,
ميوت لا
he
تحط
draw.
ميوت.
No, he didn't.
But teacher,
Also, there is one he draw.
عبد
So maybe
الكريم
he
لا
was
تحط
unknown.
ميوت لا تحط
teacher,
ميوت.
who
About
is
5
unknown,
sheets.
teacher? Teacher, who is unknown? Which student? You said it's a fixed student. Who?
Yes.
Omar, please don't talk about any other thing. Just do your work, okay?
I'm doing,
You are,
teacher, but
no,
I
no,
cannot see because.
you are disturbing, okay? So
Okay.
please. Okay, about 5 grams.
والله راح شوف
Now,
حالك اللي يرسم.
mass in grams. In estimate, don't forget to write the word about. Okay.
I know.
Now I'm telling to the other students.
What?
Okay, you can write here 5G. What about
5G.
ruler? What about
Ruler.
yes, ruler?
Ruler. 2 grams.
Ruler.
3 grams.
3 or 2 like this, yes. Or maybe 1.5, 2.5.
About
2.5 grams.
about 3 grams, 3G.
Now
And
we're wow.
Also
He
blue.
likes blue too.
Who
He
wrote
likes
the blue?
Teacher, who wrote the blue?
Also, like this old. How he put it?
and
Teacher.
And
Green.
teacher, it's not get erased. It's not getting erased. I don't know why. I am erasing it now, till now, from 5 minutes, and
Now-
it's not erased.
listen to
I
me.
don't know how to erase and how to put this one.
Now listen to me. From tomorrow, I will do another thing. You cannot enter into room without my permission. Okay.
And what?
You will not be entered to the here on Zoom without my request exception. Okay. I will
Now,
accept you.
teacher, we cannot enter by your exception. Also, the same thing.
No. From tomorrow, I will do the something else.
What
I
teacher?
don't
I didn't understand.
I don't
Okay.
understand.
No, you will do the same thing first. I will accept it. Then you will be able to see all these things.
That's not also 5 grams because it is heavy a little.
To annulate, teacher,
About-
you should.
Teacher,
5 and 5G.
teacher, what 5? This is very
You just it's
Delete.
just
Yes, teacher. Delete. Yes.
Delete. Yes.
Delete. Who is writing?
Teacher, you erased it.
yes, I've raised all these.
teacher.
So
Yeah,
in the
teacher.
other sessions, teacher, so you can the teachers for the other session, you teach them how to erase.
Okay, I will teach them. Which teacher do you want me to teach?
The science and the
teacher.
English teacher. Science
Okay.
and English.
Okay, I will tell them.
Because he always writes a lot.
Okay, I will tell them. I will tell them. I will send message today. Okay. Now next one. Now next one. Question number 10.
No, question number, no.
Yeah, question number 10 now. Who will read it?
I can.
Teacher, I can.
I can
Muhammad.
teach.
Muhammad,
I can.
next
You ask
question.
me.
Muaz, don't put the mic in your mouth. Muaz, don't put the mic in your mouth.
I didn't.
Omar, I'm going to mute you.
Get it far.
Omar,
Omar, don't shout.
it's the last warning to you. I will mute you. Okay. So no need to say anything now.
Nothing
Okay,
about
Ahmed.
unknown and nothing about
Yes.
this.
Ahmed, now read question number 10.
How does each estimate in your table compare with the actual measurement?
Okay, it's skip this question. Move to the next one.
Yes, skip.
Question number 11.
Teacher,
Okay.
most of these questions, they need metric balance. None
Yes,
of us
metric
have
balance.
metric balance.
Okay.
We don't have the metric balance.
Now next question number 11.
Yes. Teacher, your voice is so low. Sometimes just go up, and then down.
Okay.
Like this.
Now
Now it's good.
okay. Now read this one. Question number 11. Omar, you read it.
I read what?
Question number 11. Yes.
Okay. Estimate the mass of the hardcover dictionary by comparing it with the mass of a bag of 1,000 standard paper clips.
Okay.
About how many grams do you think a hardcover dictionary would weigh?
500 grams.
500
I
grams or
think,
1,000?
1,000.
No,
Because
500.
and listen to me. Estimate the mass of hardcover dictionary by comparing it with the mass of a bag about 1,000 standard paper clips. Okay, one standard paper clip is about
1,000
1
grams.
gram. Yeah, you can say 1,000 grams. About 1,000 grams.
Yes. 1 kg.
Yes, just write in grams. They asked us to write in grams. About how many grams?
Okay.
So it's about 1,000 grams.
Okay, teacher.
Question number 12. If 1,000
Yes.
grams is equals to 1 kilogram, about how many kilograms do you think a hardcover dictionary would weigh?
3.
Huh?
3 maybe.
Well, no, it's up
Well,
here in
okay, one.
yeah, about
One.
about 1 kilogram.
They just ask like this. I think it is more.
No.
Yes, teacher. They ask kilogram, how many gram, like this. Like he
Okay.
said to you
Yes.
Name
grams and kilograms in the same
name
time.
some objects you know that have their mass measured in kilograms.
Car
Okay, car. Give
and
your
the house.
listen to me. Listen to me. It's better to pick an object from your classroom.
From the classroom,
Board.
the walls.
Board.
Share.
Board
Teacher
or
desk. Teacher
Desk.
desk.
desk,
Desk.
desk,
Desk.
desk, teacher,
Desk.
The
and
board.
projector,
Teacher's desk.
projector,
Projector.
Board.
projector.
Board. The board.
Board. Or only 3 objects are enough to write.
Name sub.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Question number 8. Ahmed, read it and tell me the answers because the time, we don't have much time.
Okay.
Yeah.
The mass of extremely heavy objects is expressed in metric tons. A bus has a mass about 3 t. Name some objects you know that have their mass measured in metric tons. A car
A car.
and a truck and a bus.
A bus. Very good.
House.
Means a car, it's about, we can say 1 metric ton is about 1,000 kilograms. So we can say
Yes.
a car, its weight is, you can say in metric ton, about 1,000 kilograms
Yes.
or a metric ton. And also a bus.
And a mountain. A mountain.
Okay, next
Teacher.
one. Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Here write a bus. Why once again?
I cannot listen to you clearly. What did you say?
He said
The question write a bus. In the question write a bus. Why we write bus again?
You can, if you want to remove it, you can. A bus has, if you want to write any other object, no problem. You can write an elephant.
yes.
An elephant. Okay. Now, next one, question number 15. How many grams are in 1 metric ton?
1 million.
How many grams there will be? 1
Million. 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0,
000.
then 0.
Yes,
And 000.
gram.
No, that is billion.
No. Question number 16.
Wait.
Wait, teacher, wait.
Move to question number 17 first. Okay. Which is greater mass, 3 grams or 300 milligrams?
3 grams.
In 3 grams, how many milligrams are there?
3,000.
3,000.
You skipped
So,
number 16.
yeah, I know. So here there is some explanation, so that I came here. I moved here. So which is the greater mass, 3 grams or 3,000 milligrams? It's, you can say 3 grams.
3 grams.
3G is greater than
Teacher, your voice.
is greater than
Yes.
300 mg.
mg.
Yeah. Next one, 400 grams or 4.5 kilograms.
4.5 kilograms. Easy.
4.5 kg will be greater than
Yes. 400 milligrams.
400 grams, not milligrams. Okay. Next one, 2.75 ton or 2,000 grams.
Wait.
1 ton, 1,000 grams.
2.75 ton. Easy.
Yes. 2.75
2.75.
tons will be greater than 2,000 kilograms.
Yes.
Now question number 16.
2.75 T.
Tell me question number 16, and then
Wait.
we have.
I am writing.
Okay.
Teacher, what is all in this?
Wait here. This one is point.